Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Delilah, if you don't know already. Today, if you're over the age of 25, you should include these 8 steps in your skincare routine. You don't have to use everything that I use. Keep in mind, I do work for a beauty retail company, so most of these were gifted and I also have my personal discount. In my description box, I will recommend other skincare products that may work for you. I started practicing affirmations in the morning whenever I'm getting ready in the mirror. Things like I'm vibrant, I'm youthful, I'm successful, I get everything and anything I desire, things come to me easily, I'm rich and loved, and I radiate confidence. The reason why you should add these steps in your skincare routine and stay consistent throughout the week is because we start to lose elasticity. The sun damages our skin with dark spots and age spots. Dryness, texture, fine lines, and wrinkles start to pop up. So we want to target those at an early age where you do start to see the little signs. So grab your little mimosa, sip that, because this is a self-care skincare day. And right here, I'm just showing you what my skin looks like before my skincare routine. I have a lot of little bumps on my nose. It's oily, I have dark spots, but don't worry, we're gonna fix that. First step is cleanser. I'm using my Biossance Squalane Amino Aloe Gentle Cleanser. The name in the product says it all. It's hydrating, it's very gentle on the skin, but it gets the job done. It's soothing on the skin, so it won't give you that tight, dry feeling after using it. Perfect for all skin types. Take another sip for completing the first step. Step 2, I'm using a very gentle exfoliator from Dermalogica. This is the Daily Milk Foliant specifically for sensitive skin. So after my surgery, my skin got very sensitive, and this is the only scrub that I'm able to use that won't break me out. So if you're like me, I do recommend this one because it does have oats in it, which is very calming for the skin. And it's gentle enough to pair with any cleanser you have. Exfoliator is going to help get rid of that layer of dead skin you have on your face so that your skin can look smooth and soft. This is what makes your makeup look really good. Dry your face with a paper towel because your regular towel has bacteria on it. Next, I'm using my Paula's Choice Toner with my Shiseido cotton pads. This right here will transform your skin. This is a liquid exfoliator that's going to clean your pores from the inside out. So this will help with any acne, texture, or small bumps on the skin. And it just leaves your skin so soft like a baby's butt. You don't have to use this every day, so this will last you a long time. I don't know what happened to the footage of me applying my Paula's Choice toner, but it's gone. So next step is serum. This is my favorite serum right now. Is the Caudalie serum for dark spots. This thing right here is so hydrating. It smells so good. All natural products. It plumps the skin, gives you this beautiful glow, and it brightens the skin. Like, I'm obsessed with this serum. This is my 3rd bottle already. All right. Now, this is the eye cream that I've been using. And oh my God, this is the Hourglass Equilibrium Intensive Eye Balm. I don't know what's in this. I don't know what's in this eye cream. But my God, it feels amazing. I don't only use it under my eyes. I use it on my eyelids, my laugh lines, between my brows. Oh my God, this is so smooth. And the way it looks under makeup, oof. All right, girl, I'm gonna put you onto this moisturizer right here. You don't have to buy it because I'm not gonna lie, this shit is expensive. But this is the Augustinus Beta Rich Cream. Oh my God, this was gifted to me, obviously. I will never buy something like this. But my God, I thought this was going to break me out or clog my pores because it's a rich cream, it's a lot thicker, so I have combination skin. When I tell you this thing is transforming my skin every single day, I didn't know this moisturizer was anti-aging. It's so hydrating, but it isn't heavy and thick and oily. It absorbs into the skin, but it gives you this glow. And I can see the difference in my skin. I freaking love it. And it has not made me break out, and I'm so happy about that. Now, I'm using a gua sha tool. This is something that I did not believe in, but when I actually tried it, I was like, oh, I tried it on one side of my face first to see if I can actually see a difference. Why did that side of my face look so sculpted and my other side looked all puffy and swollen? This is a game changer right here. There's not really much to say about it. Just watch what I do. I learned how to do this just by searching up a gua sha routine. Just look that up and just follow the routine and you'll learn how to do it on your own. And trust me, this thing will lift and contour your face so nicely. So if you guys do notice, I am running the gua sha on areas where I notice, little fine lines, little wrinkles. So my laugh lines, in between my brows, my forehead. I like to run the gua sha up my neck. That's an area where people neglect a lot. You have to hydrate and moisturize your neck, massage your neck, and you want to do it in an upwards motion. Everything that you're doing with the gua sha, with your skincare, you want to do that in an upward motion because you want to lift the face. You want the face to feel lifted and tight. You don't want to drag it down. Since I'm not going outside, this is my last step. I'm using my Youth to the People Activated Hydrating Mist. Everyone needs an extra bit of hydration and glow to the skin, especially if you have oily skin, because the hydration is going to combat those oils and you won't be so oily. If you are stepping out into the day, I really do suggest using a sunscreen. This one is from Glow Recipe. It has niacinamide in it, so it's going to help with any pores, dark spots, and it's 50 SPF. If you're stepping out into the daytime, please use an SPF. If you do not, this whole skincare routine was for no reason and your skin is just going to get damaged even more. Protect your skin from the sun. And last but not least, I'm just throwing on some lip balm. This is the Summer Fridays lip balm. This is just my personal favorite. And we're done. I don't know if you guys can see a difference, but now my skin is nice and glowy and radiant. It feels so soft. And now you're going to stay young forever. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a beautiful positive comment down below, and I'll see you guys soon.